to welcome everybody to the Honorable Veranda. Please excuse the construction going on in the back. That's just how things work here. It has come to my attention over the past 8 months of me being infamous, famous, and just a damn nuisance to most people that there's certain issues that's plaguing us uptown personnel, for want of a better word. We have a representative here from Norbrook as well as Millsboro. Yep. So the floor is open up for debate.
Run at this rate.
Refills, go ahead.
I was on my way back from Beach Juve the other day. I'll admit that I was a little bit late for a golf game that I had planned at Caymanos. So from Ochi to Caymanos I had to kind of rush it, you know. So it was a rainstorm that I was driving through. And we're in this line of traffic. I was driving by this crisp BMW. So I'm moving through, and I spot a puddle in front of us. Something that had to be about this deep. The woman in front of me stopped her BMW like a brick wall. I draw brakes and must have screeched tires for about 50 yards. Don't lick the woman, but the taxi man behind me must have left on some retread tires or something like that. And run into the back of my car. Cost must have about $170,000 to my car. So I get out and everything, not too hurt or anything like that. And the woman looked at me and said, Why, you can't drive. Don't deserve a car like that. The taximan behind me just said, boy, you know, there's a lot of damage just to your car, you know. I can tell it's a new car and everything, and Chris and everything, right? And he said, boy, I don't want to put some of my insurance or anything like that, you know, because it's really grand up sky high. So what say you if I just put on like a little deportee Corolla bump up on the car and spray it over and call it that?
I'm offended already.
It has to stop
now.
I hope I get the support in the entire house for this.
What you have against the deportee car then, man?
Man, I just pay only $2.5 million for my car. I can't
and the deportee car run this country.
Deportee car. No, I'm
Order in the house. Order. I can understand that you guys are from opposing parties. As representative of the Norbrook area, don't you know the guy that runs the insurance company?
Yes, I do.
Isn't he in our back pocket?
It was.
What happened to that?
The man crossed me. The man take my money and give me the things I deserve. And from that time, I never talked to that man again.
Isn't that his nature?
That is his nature. It's also my nature. Not to fix the things with people.
What about our backup funds? We don't have any backup funds to deal with this?
Oh man, we have to deal with it. We need some more backup funds.
Alright, we'll research how to get backup funds later. Alright, okay. Take your swig and say what you have to say when you approach the bench.
Alright, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, thank you for inviting me to the most honorable house here.
No problem, man.
I have a problem. I was traveling back from the Royal Jamaica Yacht Club the other day, from a wonderful day out at Lime Key. I had a hard time suffering out there. And I was making some money over in Matilda's Corner by a man who just walked up to my car. The man decided to force himself into my car as the light had turned green. The man was holding me by my neck. I could hold my breath for 2 minutes, or my car could go from 0 to 60 in 10 seconds. And the question was whether or not he could hold on to me for longer than 60 seconds. So I hit the gas and took the man through the intersection. Because I don't respect people that reach inside of my car and try to take things or harm myself or anybody inside my car.
Here. Why didn't you just change the course?
No man, I'm not changing no course.
You have to change the course.
No. The course must stay the same.
No, but you have to change the course. You can't just stay the same course. That course not working.
Mr. Speaker, I have a motion that beggars at Matilda's Corner must start accepting credit card as of next week Monday.
I do not carry cash in this country.
But haven't we looked into the PayPal account for that?
Yes.
What about PayPal?
The PayPal?
This is Jamaica, boss. PayPal no.
It's okay. Is there any other matter that you want to bring forth to the house right now?
Yes, Mr. Speaker. I have a question.
Okay, what's your question, sir?
Since we do not hold any sort of parliamentary elections, how is it that you become the Speaker of this House?
Well, if you would please direct your attention to the bottle that you have in your hand. As you can clearly see, that is red rum, and your friend right there is drinking red rum as well. even though you are second in command and you do have a bigger red rum, I am taking swigs of white rum. Until then, until you take position and start swinging right rum like me, you're going to be second in command. Thank you very much.
My bottle will always be bigger than your bottle.
Is there anything else that you want to bring to the attention of the floor?
Not at this moment, Mr. Speaker.
All right, so what is your issue?
My problems, I've been reviewing the budget, the overall budget of this board. And I have been noticing some depressing trends.
What's the trend?
The facts are that we're running out of money fast.
We're running out of money fast.
And we need to make some sort of accommodations to bring in some new funds into our board.
Mr. Speaker, if you give me a second, I might be able to make a call and adjust our accounts a little bit.
No problem.
Yes. I need $40,000 wire transfer to my Scotia Bank account. Tomorrow? Yeah, that's fine. Just by tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. Alright, thank you, Daddy.
Good, funds taken care of.
Here.
What do you want to adjourn this meeting to?
I would make a suggestion that we go to somewhere nice and decent. That would be of our standard. I can't think of anything off the top of my head. How about you,
Mr. Speaker? I say we go Lanky.
Well, I say we go Fort Clarence.
I was second Lanky, Mr.
But
Speaker.
I am not changing any course.
No, man, you don't know the difference between a good place and a bad place, then.
Mr. Speaker, I must second, we have to go to Lanky.
But look, the reason why we ran out of funds last time is because we kept on going to Lime Key. How much does it cost to take a ferry across?
$1,000.
How much?
$1,000 a head.
But I have a boat now.
Well, then why are we going to Fort Clarence? Take your
Why
boat
was
to
this boat
Key?
not brought to the attention of the council before? John, where's the boat?
Right here. What's not good enough for you to get in?
I thought YouTube was paying you.
I lied.
The man tell them I am civilized, I am superior.
No, don't even give me your hand. Zayn!
There's something wrong with the brain. Sit down and pay attention while I explain. Call me John. But a man will just with heart attack. So answer me fine.
Come over there. Zayn, stay the fuck over there. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Say, don't come near me.
You just tell me.
Zayn, come on, man. Come on, do it for real. Look, you at my body, hold up. Look at my body. I'm trying to leave. I know, man. I'm
and that ain't no joke. So
I gotta drive over.
the man say, oh Lord, you crazy. Mankind way is the best. Look how I'm wearing me three-piece suit, me fancy shoes and me vest. And animals do not have motor car, and they do not have TV.
Alright, check this out. I am of no political affiliation. Right here I have my friends. You know, I got Roger there, David, and there's Zayd. You probably recognize Zayd from a New York trip. So check it. I am of no political affiliation, right? I don't really go JLP or PNP, but I think my bird here has made up his mind who he's voting for.
Hello? And your best friend Oprah, your girl. So please answer me. Who civilized and who's the monkey? And the tomcat say, you just tell me how I have no morality. But when I feeling romantic, it's one female cat and me. A man does have 42 women, he looking for 43. So answer me that. Who's civilized and who's the tomcat?